everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing effect in Photoshop. Let's jump right into it. Firstly, drag and drop your image in there. I got mine from pexels.com. This is not sponsored. I wish it was. I'll duplicate my image, flip it upside down, and then just place it here and reposition this as well. And then we'll start fixing the background. I'm adding a layer mask to the top image, just removing this background part till we have something that looks like this. I'll merge these two layers together, and then with any selection tool, just select the sides that are missing. I'm gonna right click, content aware fill. The detail isn't important, that's why I'm using this, just because it's super fast. Now what we wanna do is just select two parts of our image, the two parts that we want to melt. So the face, Command to duplicate your selection onto a new layer, and we're gonna do the same thing on this other side, Command J again. Let's convert these into a smart object just so we can eventually go back and change the effect if we end up not liking it. And then go to filter, liquify. We'll select the forward warp tool, and you guessed it, we're gonna melt her face a little more. Press OK. You see we have this going on with this sharp edge. We're gonna fix that later. We're gonna do the same thing with our other one, liquify. And there we go. Pretty awesome. Now all you have to do is change the blending mode from normal to lighten for both layers. Lighten. What you can also do is add layer masks and just adjust the edges to get rid of that harsh border. Same thing with our top layer. And now if we zoom out, the effect is looking pretty neat. Select all your layers, right click, convert to smart object. Now we're gonna make a copy of this by just pressing Command J, and then go to filter gallery. We're gonna add a halftone pattern effect you can find in the sketch folder. And here you can play around with the size of your halftone and obviously the contrast. I want a low contrast just because otherwise I'm not gonna get to see the subject's face in there. It's gonna vary image to image. So I'll go with maybe 1 and press OK. I'm now going to change the blending mode from normal to soft light. And finally go to the adjustments tab, add a gradient map, and you can choose the colors here. I have a bunch of free gradient maps and not free gradient maps on my website if you want to go take a look. But play around with the colors and the position to get a good effect for your image. Something like this works for mine. And now all you have to do is just add some textures on top of everything. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to comment down below if you have any requests or suggestions for next videos or next tutorials, things you want to learn, all that good stuff. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!